All right, we are at the Hilton Garden Inn. Let's see here, I gotta talk over the music so we don't get a copyright strike or whatever. These used to be Haughton, and I believe this actually used to be an office building. There's actually a video of these from when they were original. But these were SchindlerHaughton, I take it back. Coming up?
Yes. Thank you.
Going up. Floor 14.
Had to scan up. I paused the video because I was actually at a hotel in Toledo who was scanning me up. Let's go back down here now.
Going down. Floor L.
Going up?
Yep.
You're good.
No, open the elevator.
Thank
Open
you.
the elevator. Perfect.
Going
Oh,
up.
why did the elevator one didn't show?
I don't know, because it didn't.
Let's see, hotel guy.
Floor 7.
Take care.
Careful, thank you.
How about now?
Hi.
Have a good one.
Thank
You do the same.
Going up.
It's fine.
Stop humming.
Why?
Floor
I'm good.
15.
Because it's loud.
Sorry.
Hey, I don't care. You're not bothering me.
Have a good one.
Y'all too. Where's the map? Yeah, it is converted from an office building. And I think those used to be part of the same bank. But it's hard to tell. I think they put that wall in. Anyway, that will be it. Schindler. We'll go back down to lobby.